Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing Jumbo Lemonade Braids. So let's just get right into it. One thing that I never skip out on is setting up the style, especially when I'm doing styles that are, considered these jumbo type styles, jumbo box braids, jumbo lemonade braids, 5 or 6 braided styles, because basically what setting up the style does is that it ensures you that your partings are accurate. And that is something that is very important to me. I like to be able to see the style before I actually commit to adding hair. So yes, it is an extra step, but for me, it just makes it worth it. And it allows for me to fix any mistakes prior to adding any hair. Let me just take a second to talk about this hair color. So this hair color was totally unique. My client is one who loves to color her hair. She does everything from reds to this copper color to pinks, you name it, fuchsia, you name it. So I actually found that that this color was really fun to try and match up. And so when you see the color that was used to feed in the hair, I mean, the match is just, look at this. Like, this match is just crazy. And if you guys are wondering what color this is the Vivica Fox Expressions braiding hair, and it's in the color 350, which is just, like I said, it's copper. It's this beautiful warm color. It matched her hair impeccably, and I just thought it was lit. So I just had to get that out, about how much I really love this hair color. So now that I'm feeding in the hair, I decided to go ahead and attempt the stitch method, which is basically when you are just giving like that extra detail to the braid. Some say they look like stitches, some say they look like railroad tracks, but it's basically just adding some additional detail to the braid. I'm not going to get into exactly how to do it on this video per se, but just in case you were wondering, that is what I'm doing. I do have this clip slowed down a little bit if you did want to follow, but for the most part, I just wanted to just kind of show you guys how I set up my lemonade braid styles, especially for the jumbo ones. Now, when of course they're smaller, I mean, you just go as you braid. But with some of these bigger styles, precision is key when it comes to these bigger styles. So once again, it's just so important to just take the time, set the style up, make sure your parts are clean, and like literally take your time. Okay, guys, so on another note, I just wanted to say that I am just very humble and very grateful. I have just reached 100 subscribers, and while it's a small victory, it's something that means a lot to me. And I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Your feedback really helps me to determine, what I can put out there and how I can try to be helpful. I know that YouTube videos has helped me tremendously in so many ways, and just the fact that I can try to even just contribute to the whole YouTube arena and just the plethora of knowledge and wealth that is on having a YouTube platform. It's just amazing, and I really just want to say thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just click the subscribe button. I do have plenty of videos that I will be putting out, but like I said, I don't want to ramble on and on, but this is just such an awesome thing to partake in, and I'm just enjoying every second of it. So once again, thank you. Like, it's a small victory, but worth being noted. So I am going to just be quiet and let you finish enjoying the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Leave those comments in the comment section. I do respond to just about everyone. So if there's any questions, or if you have an idea, or if you want to see something different, just let me know. As always, God bless and enjoy this video.